It will be on April 28, 2025. For the distribution of report card for grade 7, 8, 9, and 11, that will be on May 24, 2025. And our Brigada Escuela will be on June 8 to 13, 2025.
Enrollment for school year 2025-2026 for grade 7, it will be on May 26. For grade 8, May 27. For grade 9, May 28. For grade 10, May 29. For grade 11, May 30. Grade 12, June 2. Late enrollees and transferees, it will be on June 3. Opening of classes for school year 2025-2026 will be on June 16. The Poland Model Community High School family extends deepest gratitude to the DepEd officials, local government units, private sector and individuals, PTA officers, parents, and those who have contributed to the success of the school year 2024 to 2025.
To our school administration, please accept our heartfelt appreciation of your genuine advocacy for quality education.
To the members of the faculty, we are truly grateful for the gift of learnings and meaningful experiences you have shared with the completers.
To our esteemed guests, thank you for gracing this momentous occasion with us. Your presence is an inspiration.
And to our beloved parents, thank you for being a constant partners in educating students. Your trust, support, and confidence have been a powerful drive to give our students a quality education.
To our dear completers, we salute you for you have survived the challenges. Keep shining brightly as you continue your journey of success. Please rise for the recession.